abdominoplasty or tummy tuck. We do in this surgery liposuction of the abdomen and the lateral side, the belly area. We took the fat and then elevate the skin and fat tissue over muscle till xiphoid area or till to the costal margins. We do plication, means making smaller the abdominal diameter, suturing both muscles together, and after that we take the flap down and excise the tissue, and then we open a new navel.